Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 4 best soldering iron on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 4. QUECOO Soldering Iron. The QUECOO Soldering Iron is a compact and lightweight tool with a sleek design that makes it easy to handle. It has a maximum output power of 96 W and an impressive temperature range of 80 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, accommodating various materials and projects. The iron also features smart features such as fast charging through PD and QC protocols and a Type-C/DC 5.5 2.1 interface for convenient connectivity. The 0.87-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 128x32 pixels allows for precise temperature control. The QUECOO Soldering Iron is CE certified, ensuring compliance with international safety standards. It can be used for both professional and hobbyist applications, and is branded by QUECOO, a name synonymous with reliable and efficient soldering solutions. The tool is versatile and suitable for both professional and hobbyist use. Number 3. LUXIANZI Soldering Iron. The LUXIANZI Soldering Iron is a versatile tool with high performance and heating power. It comes in 2 variants, with the 40W model being the most efficient, reaching an output temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Its momentary electromagnetic power of 350 W is a standout feature, enhancing its ability to handle various soldering tasks. The iron is designed as a handheld portable tool, making it convenient for various applications. Its 1.42-meter power cord provides flexibility for working in different positions. The iron is well built and durable, with no smart device capabilities, making it lightweight and easy to handle. Despite being manufactured in mainland China, the iron's build quality and performance make it suitable for both amateur and professional soldering projects. Number 2. BEAMNOVA Soldering Iron. The BEAMNOVA Soldering Iron is a reliable, efficient, and versatile soldering tool designed for both professionals and hobbyists. It boasts a 60 W power output, ensuring quick heating and consistent temperature. Its wide temperature range spans from 300 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, allowing precise control for delicate electronic components or demanding tasks. The ceramic heating core ensures rapid heating and excellent thermal stability, offering a longer lifespan compared to traditional heating elements. The iron's ergonomic design, with a compact size of 251,010 centimeters, reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The 936 soldering iron tip offers versatility and precision, perfect for detailed work on small components. The BEAMNOVA soldering iron's rechargeable capability eliminates the need for constant cord management, allowing users to work in various environments without being tied to an outlet. This makes it a portable option for on-the-go repairs and projects. Number 1. lefavor Soldering Iron. The lefavor Soldering Iron is a compact, efficient tool with a 2.5-inch length and 80 W output power. Its temperature stability ensures precise and clean solder joints, with an output temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. The iron also features a digital LCD screen for easy temperature monitoring and adjustment. It comes with plug types for EU and US regions, making it versatile for users across different countries. The 1.4-meter cable provides ample reach for workspace maneuvering. The lefavor Soldering Iron is CE certified, meeting European safety standards, providing added assurance for users working with high-temperature tools. The iron's temperature adjustability feature allows for precise control over the soldering process. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.